shine like a sun, then you alone have to burn like a sun. Honorable jury members, respected principal sir, teachers, and all my worthy opponents. Greeting of the day. Today, I, Anirudh Bishop of Class 8A, strongly oppose the given topic, is parental support necessary for the future development of child? In our immense Asian culture, people used to consign their wards to gurukuls, where they not only learnt academic knowledge, but also the art of living and future aspects of life. But the question arises, why did people did so? Why did keep their children far to send their children far off places? The reason was they wanted to make their children self-independent and self-motivated. But on the other hand, I am bitter to see my worthy opponents who still think that spoon feeding is necessary for the future development of child. This means that our parents have no faith on us. It's not just question on me, but also I am tense to see my worthy opponents who do not have faith on their potential too. It's not just ends here with a question on our potential and capabilities, but when a parent starts to spoon feed his child, then he also, due to aspirations or due to affection, he also starts to support him in his bad deeds. And when these are not stopped within the time, this can take a very, very dangerous consequences within the time. A parent is not every time with the children, nor it can be. Hence, there are many decisions which a child has to take himself, and too much parental support and spoon feeding affects his decision making. I am sorry to say, but this affects him a lot. At last, I would like to conclude my speech with this famous quote, and I hope that it would urge my worthy opponents to think over this matter. Expect more from yourself, not from others. Thank you.
Behind every young child who believes in himself is a parent who believes first. Good morning to one and all present here. I, Saksham Patwari, a student of Class 8A, Subhash House, strongly believe that parental support is essential for the future success of children. Yes, you heard it right. Parental support is essential for the future success of children. Parents are the gifts of God. They are the future markers of their children. Guardians plays an extremely important role as they are the sole true guides for the children, isn't it? Parents are the best guides for the students. Schools are also called the second home due to the valuable teaching to the student they get from there. But parents are the best guides or teachers for the children. They are the vital part of student success, from assisting them in their homework to teaching them manners, discipline, lessons of life. Parents owe them all. Parents are the true friends. Parents care for the kids. The time they spend knowing them makes their true friend. Parents are an important part of students as a pillar of success and failure. Support from parents is crucial for student success both academically and personal lives. Parents must take active interest and participation in the events of the lives of their kids. Success and failure go hand in hand, and the role of the guardian play in their kids' life shape them. Guardian act as a problem solver, lending their hand in difficult situations. Parents are the key factors behind child's ability to make decisions and develop a dynamic personality. This is the one of the most vital point to consider when we think of the overall personality growth of children. Parents always encourage their kids to take their own decision as to make them strong and independent. Parents are the driver of the bus in which their children have landed for the journey of life. Guardians are the first teachers or curators of the characters of the lives of their kids. Parents are the one of the most beautiful creation of God on earth. They are the gift to those lucky gems. They play a highly important role in their kids' life. Thank you.
The essence of today's topic: you have to do it yourself. No one else will do it for you. You must work out your own salvation. Good morning, respected principal sir, judges, teachers, and my dear friends. I'm Shivangi Tamta of Class 8. Today I'm going to speak on the topic: is parental support essential for the future success of children? I believe that a person makes its own future. My first point of support is that in parental support, children can stand on their feet. Child should know how to stand on their feet, as parents will not always help. Let me draw this way: a baby before walking falls down many a times. Each fall is a lesson and preparation for next step. My second point is, in parental support, children can make their own decisions. Parents should let their child to take baby steps and shouldn't take decisions for them. so that one day they can take tough decisions in life. My third point is, in parental support, children don't learn how to face their life challenges. In parental support, when child faces difficult situations, they easily give up and take backward steps. Let me picture this way. If a plant wants to grow like a big tree, then it has to come under open sky. It has to face heavy rain. It has to face strong wind and bright sun. My fourth point is, in parental support, children don't learn how to manage their emotions. In parental support, children become emotionally weak and they easily give up. So I would like to conclude that no, parental support isn't essential for the future success of children. Last but not the least, I would like to end my words with, don't be emotionally weak. Don't be emotionally weak. Be strong, be confident. Try to convert a yesterday's false into tomorrow's